At first glance, you may mistake this for some sort of futuristic energy sword made by KraftGeek. But before your imagination takes over, I have some bad news and some good news. This isn't an awesome energy sword from the future. The good news is that it's a compact tripod selfie stick you can easily take around with you or use in your office to create your content. This may be one of the fastest quality magnetic phone tripod selfie stick you can get today. You just extend, tap, and it's ready to use. You can also use it to get hard to reach shots like these and pack it with you easily when on the go. Frakking Creations, showing you the good stuff. KraftGeek sent us one of their JustTap Magnetic phone tripods for free to test out. Plus, they also gave our viewers a 15% discount. If you are interested in getting one, I've included links in the video description. Now, let's see what the KraftGeek JustTap tripod is all about. When you create content, you will find that having the right tools is so important because it makes your life a lot easier. We've used many different stands and mounts for the different types of shots we film for our videos, and a good travel tripod is an essential gear when on the go for steady shots, selfies, vlogging, and capturing hard to reach angles. What I find best about the KraftGeek JustTap Magnetic phone tripod is its compactness and fast setup. As shown earlier, 3 quick steps: extend, tap, and snap, and you're ready for action. There's no need to screw and unscrew anything like this broken cheap quality tripod. The KraftGeek JustTap tripod is not only good for iPhones, but Android phones too. The kit includes a metal MagSafe ring adapter you can attach to your phone or case if it doesn't have MagSafe magnets already. Watch our video on choosing and installing MagSafe ring adapters if you need to install one. The KraftGeek tripod MagSafe mount is already very strong, but note that you can get even stronger hold if you get a good MagSafe ring adapter that is made with rare earth magnets. Larger professional tripods are very sturdy, but also have a very large footprint. As expected, this KraftGeek magnetic phone tripod won't be as sturdy as a professional tripod, though you typically don't need such a heavy-duty tripod for a phone or tablet when you want something compact to take around that's quick and easy to use. You can use the wide stance for more stability, or the narrow stance when you want a smaller footprint, for example, when working on a desk or table. The telescoping arm is very long at 167 centimeters, and it slides in and out easily and keeps its hold good enough for a phone in selfie mode or a tablet in tripod mode. At full extension, the shaft will bend a little, but it still feels sturdy. I was told the maximum weight it can hold is 1.5 kilograms, but my testing shows that it won't hold more than 1.36 kilograms in tripod mode. It might be able to do 1 kilogram, but for me, I wouldn't want to hold anything heavier than about 750 grams. So it works great for this phone and this tablet. With heavier gear, you probably don't want to extend the arm fully. Otherwise, at full extension, the legs may not be stable enough. Note that this is typical of all tripods that are compact like this with 28 cm long feet and use a similar design. The magnetic plate is easily adjustable, and the additional pivoting arm allows for more configurations and angles. Easily rotate the phone for landscape or portrait shots. Quickly switch between the front-facing or rear-facing cameras. Everything effortlessly packs up too. An area for improvement would be having a 1/4-inch UNC threaded mount for accessories like a light or a mic. The workaround for us is using a clamp mount to attach this LED light. In the hands, it has a solid feel, is not too heavy, and when you use it, you can tell it is well built with quality parts. The telescoping arm and trusses on the legs are aluminum, while the rest seems to be plastic with silicone padded feet. The plastic parts are precisely molded, and all parts fit together perfectly and slide smoothly. It's not only great for taking around with you when on the go, but I also like to use it at home when streaming content. I can easily set it up beside the couch or sofa and have a little control center within easy reach. We hope you enjoyed the video. Like and share with anyone that could use one of these tripods. Subscribe for more good stuff to come.